Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can resize an image you insert into your apps or app projects on Adalo App Builder in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the app builder here in Adalo. Select your app project from the drop-down menu at the top, and here in the app editing panel, navigate or zoom into the given screen or a card that contains the given image. Left click into the image. And there's two ways how you can do this, guys. You either navigate to layout here under or in the image settings. And here, if you scroll down, you may, for example, adjust a minimum width and maximum width. Or if you'd like to use these handles here, guys, you may do that as well. Left click into the given image. And if you hover your mouse over these corners, you will see the cursor changing its appearance so that you may, hold your left mouse and that way resize your image, position it here, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.